When a snake comes across bird eggs, it usually devours them on the spot. But the penduline tit's eggs are a different story. The snake is completely outsmarted. Why? This clever bird builds its nest hanging from a tree branch, making it tough for predators to access. And even if a snake does reach the nest, it finds nothing. The nest appears empty. But here's the trick. The eggs are there, just cleverly concealed. The nest has two entrances, leading to two separate chambers. One is a decoy designed to fool predators, and it's always empty with its entrance left wide open. The real treasure, the eggs, are hidden in a second room with a secret entrance. The snake has no idea this hidden chamber exists, keeping the bird's precious eggs perfectly safe.